Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on area. The area of a flat shape represents the region that is inside the lines and or curves that make up the shape. The size of an area is found by calculating the number of small squares that are contained inside the shape in question. Consider the following square. So it's a square and it has a 1 centimetre width and a 1 centimetre length. Since the above is a square with each side measuring 1 centimetre, the area is 1 square centimetre. In short, we write 1 centimetre with a little power of 2 here, and that's a short way of writing 1 square centimetre. Finally, if the sides of any shape are measured in centimetres, the area is calculated in square centimetres. Find the area of each of the following shapes. Example 1. We have a square which is 3 centimetres by 3 centimetres. So the 3 centimetre by 3 centimetre square is divided into 9 smaller squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And each of these squares has a measurement of 1 by 1. So the area is 9 square centimetres. Example 2. It can be easily seen that the above rectangle is divided into 15 smaller squares, where each of these squares has sides of 1 centimetre. So this rectangle is 5 centimetres long and 3 centimetres wide. So here we have, for example, 5 tiny squares, each of them with a measurement there of 1, and here we have 3 tiny squares, each of them with a measurement of 1. So when we add all these squares up, we just count them. The area of the rectangle is 15 square centimetres. Larger areas are measured in square metres. So let's look at this example. Here is a rectangle which is 10 metres long and 6 metres wide. So for example, each of these measurements going all the way along, we have 1 metre, we just continue along. Each of these measurements here, we also have 1 metre, and we just continue along. So when we count all those squares up, the area of the above rectangle is 60 square metres. So this video has given a very basic introduction to area. We've explained the meaning of area, and we've seen some simple calculations just by adding up or counting the smaller squares.